Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito!
Happy birthday! Hi! Kuya, ingat lagi. I love you, Mama.
Kamusta na? Advance, happy birthday nga pala. Alam namin, lagi ka lang okay dyan. Lagi ka lang mag-pray. Thank you nga kay Lord dahil binigyan ka ulit ng isang pang birthday. Bibigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday at mahabang buhay. Wala akong masabi. May video pa talaga. Basta lagi mo laalagaan ang sarili mo dyan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Huwag ka mag-alala sa amin. Lagi kami okay. Ikaw yung nandiyan na sa laot. Ikaw yung ingatan lagi ang sarili mo. At ang mahusay na pakikisama sa mga kasamahan mo. Ano ba? Nag-ano pa eh, no? Sana mahal na mahal ka namin. Antayin namin ang pagbabalik mo. I love you. God bless. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! I love you.
It's almost 6 years that we've been together, yet there was no enough reason that could fathom my love for you. I hope with this very short presentation, it could adequately express my love for you.
Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay ko ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka.
Happy birthday, prinsipe ko! Ayan, tuwing birthday mo, alam mo naman na masaya ako kasi magka-age na naman tayo. Hipan ko na yung cake mo, ah. Ang wish ko sa'yo, matupad lahat ng dreams mo and mag-iingat ka lagi dyan sa mga ginagawa mo. Kahit mahirap yung trabaho, alam kong kaya mo yan. Lagi mong tatandaan na kahit gaano katagal pa tayong hindi magkita or lagi kong pinagdadasal kay Lord na dadating din yung araw na magkikita tayo. Kahit magkalayo tayo ngayon, gumawa ko ng paraan para mabati ka ng mga mahal mo sa buhay at saka kagaya ng sinasabi ng kanta ko sa'yo, yun yung meaning nun, yung importante na malaman mo.
My prince, I want you to listen. I'd stay up all night so I could get this thing right. And I don't think there's anything missing, 'cause a person like you made it easy to do. I've waited for so long to sing to you this song, 'cause your eyes are the windows to heaven. Your smile could heal a million souls. Your love completes my existence. You're the other half that makes me whole. You're the only other half that makes me whole. I think the angels are your sisters, yeah. They told me about you. Said you're just what she needs. And I find myself thinking you're my mother, for giving birth to a saint. My spirit flies when I say your name. If there's one thing that's true, it's that I was born to love you. 'Cause your eyes are the windows to heaven. Your smile could heal a million souls. Your love completes my existence. You're the other half that makes me whole. You're the only other half that makes me whole. Happy birthday, Prinsipe ko. Happy Mansari. Mahal na mahal kita.